Prostate cancer, STDs, and dogs. What do they all have in common?
More than you might think.
Hey guys, Tara and Laci here for D News with some new evidence that potentially links prostate cancer to certain STDs.
Trichomoniasis is the most common non-viral sexually transmitted infection affecting nearly 275 million people worldwide. But most people don't even know they have it because it often doesn't have any symptoms, which is not good because a new study from the University of California shows that having trich can be bad news for men with prostate cancer.
It's commonly known that certain types of cancer are caused by infections, but prostate cancer, the #1 form of cancer for men, has always been kind of a question mark. There are no known lifestyle factors that seem to affect one's risk of developing it, but we do know there's at least a genetic component since it tends to run in families.
A study from 2009 found that a quarter of men with prostate cancer also showed signs of trichomoniasis, and the men who had it were more likely to have advanced tumors. Still, experts are reluctant to draw a link between the two, but this new study gives even more ammo to the argument that prostate cancer and trichomoniasis could be related.
According to this study, the parasite that causes trichomoniasis, Trichomonas vaginalis, secretes a protein that leads to inflammation and causes increased growth and invasion of both benign and cancerous prostate cells. So even if trich doesn't cause prostate cancer, this study suggests that men who already have it may experience a more aggressive form of it if they've previously been infected with trich.
Which brings up another fascinating study that was conducted recently showing that prostate cancer can be sniffed out by dogs with near perfect accuracy.
This is amazing.
Crazy.
A team of researchers from Italy took urine samples from 677 patients, half of whom were healthy and half of whom had prostate cancer, ranging from low-risk tumors to widespread cancer. They then had 2 specially trained dogs smell each patient's urine to see if they could detect the presence of cancer.
And apparently they can. Both dogs correctly sniffed out the cancer patients with a combined accuracy of 98%, which is incredible. But how does it work? Well, it turns out that people with cancerous tumors secrete something called volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, in their urine, which evaporate into the air and produce a scent that's detectable by dogs.
This isn't the first time dogs have been used to sniff out cancer. The University of Pennsylvania's vet school has a cute little dog named Tsunami that they claim can correctly detect ovarian cancer 90% of the time. And another study published in 2006 found that smelling a patient's breath allowed dogs to successfully detect both lung and breast tumors with an extremely high level of accuracy.
And because VOCs aren't specific to any kind of cancer, dogs should hypothetically be able to sniff out any tumorous cancer. Still, scientists say it's a long way off before you'll see dogs roaming around hospitals, but the potential is definitely there. And if they find a way to harness it, then that could reduce the amount of unnecessary and potentially risky biopsies.
I'll tell you one thing, I would much rather have a dog sniffing my urine than a doctor cutting out a chunk of my skin. But that's just me. What do you guys think? Should we be relying on our pets to diagnose us?
Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and as always, thanks for watching.